Hello, grade 1 and grade 2 students. Welcome in your science lesson. Which lesson? This is your science class. Now, can you remember what was the topic that we did in the last week? That was week 17, because now it's week 18 have started, and today is, as you all know, is the first day of week 18. Now, can you tell me what was the topic that we have started in week 17, or what we did in week 17? Can you name that topic? It was about weather and seasons, and how season change, how weather change. This excuse me, this we have done in our science class. That means that we started the lesson seasons, how weather and seasons actually, and how season changes, right? Now, here on my whiteboard, can you see what I have written? Can you read that? Can you all see my whiteboard, children? Yes? Okay, yes. What is this? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So, what are all these? These are the months. These are the months of the year, right? The different months that comes throughout the year. Now, tell me, children, that you all must know, you must remember your birthdays. You all remember? Do you all remember your birthdays? Yes. So you must also remember in which month your birthday comes. Yes. Okay. So whose birthday comes in the month of January? It's yours, Neha. Okay. Your birthday comes on in January. What is the date? 3rd January. Wow, very good. So, what type of clothes do you wear on your birthday? You like to wear new dresses, of course, you like to wear new clothes. But which type of clothes do you wear? Do you wear short sleeves? Do you wear shorts or things like that? No. You wear warm clothes. You wear sweaters, cardigans, coats, jackets. Why? Why do you wear all these type of clothes? Because it's very cold in January. It's winter season in January, right? So that is why you wear you wear warm dress, the warm clothes that keeps you warm. So winter is one name of the month, season, right? Okay. Now, does anybody birthday comes in February? No. What about March? Whose birthday comes in March? Alia, yours? Wow, great. So, on your, what's the date of your birthday? It's March 15th March. Wow, great. So, what type of dress, what type of clothes do you wear? You wear summer clothes because it's summertime. Actually, you wear half sleeves clothes? No, you can wear full sleeves clothes because it's not that much warm. It's not that much hot in March. March is a spring season where in spring season you can wear full sleeves shirts, not warm, just full sleeves with pants and all that, or frocks or pajamas, right? Because it's spring season, right? Because if you are going to wear half sleeves or short sleeves, you might feel a little cold because it's a little chilly. It's not that cold in March, but it's good. The weather is very good, so it is springtime, right? Okay. So what about April? Does anyone's birthday comes in April? No. What about May? Yes, your birthday comes in on 13th May. Okay. So, what do you wear on your birthday? You wear summer clothes because May is the season where it's very, very hot. It's summertime. So, you wear short sleeves, you wear shorts, and you wear light colors and light material clothes because it's summertime. Okay. Now, what about June? Does anyone's birthday comes in June? No. What about July? What about August? What about September? Your birthday comes in September. 6th September. Okay, so what type of clothes do you wear in September? September, you can wear summer clothes because it's very hot in September. So you wear half sleeves. Yes, you can wear half sleeves. You can wear shorts. You can wear light colors with light material because it's summertime, right? What about October? What about October? No one's birthday. November, December. Your birthday comes which date? Your birthday comes on 6th, 5th December. Okay. So what do you wear? What do you like to wear? You wear new clothes? Yeah, of course you wear new clothes on your birthday. But what type of clothes do you wear? Yes, you wear winter clothes. Why? Because it's winter time. The weather is very, very cold. So you like to wear jackets, right? You like to wear your hoodies, cardigans, right? Warm clothes to make you feel warm because it's winter time, right? So that means what? How many seasons do we have? We have 4 seasons. And what are those 4 seasons? Winter, summer, spring, summer, and autumn. Winter, spring, summer, and autumn. So this is actually what we are going to learn about different seasons. So the first season of our today, we are going to start this first seasons which is on our earth. It's going to be spring season. Okay, we are going to learn something about spring season. Now I'm going to show you some first, I'll show you a video. Again, this video is our school video, our Edgewell video. Do watch it later on as well, okay? So let's see that. And in this video, you will see different seasons, okay? And you will also see spring season. So watch that video carefully. I'm going to ask questions about that video, okay, class? There you go. Can you all see my screen? Okay, there you go.
Hello kids, let's learn about the seasons. The seasons that change every few months. The first season, the year starts with winters. Winter, snow, and cold weather with different kind of fun in the snow. Then arrives the spring with a lot of flowers everywhere. Things start to grow, birds on the trees, very green season. Then comes the summer, the sunny bright summer with a lot of beaches, a lot of vacations, and a lot of fun. It's hot. Then comes autumn, almost at the end of the year, where all the leaves and everything falls down. There's a bit of rain to welcome winters.
Okay, so you have seen the video of different seasons, right? Okay. Now these were all the 4 seasons. The first season was winter. Then it comes spring, summer, and autumn, right? Okay. Now let's see actually another picture. And in this picture also you will see different seasons. But I'm going to show you all the pictures together and you are going to tell me which picture it was of spring season. Now you can see this picture. Then you can see this picture. What is happening here? I think which season is this? Yes, it's summertime. Alright, and this you can easily see which season is it? It's fall. Correct. And what about this? It's winter. So where is spring here? Can you find the spring season? This was winter, this was fall, this was summer, this is spring season, right? So what do you do in spring season? What happens actually in spring season? You can see what is going on here. They are enjoying. What are they enjoying? They are enjoying the rain, right? Because in spring season there is greenery everywhere. There are flowers are blooming, the trees are shining green because you see spring season comes in which month? It comes from March, April, right? March, April, and sometime in May. Then after spring it comes the summertime, that is June, July, August, and September also. September, October is fall, and November, December is your winter time. So spring falls in March, April, and sometimes in May. So what happens in spring season? As you can see in this picture, how these two children are enjoying. They are having a good time because they are enjoying the rain. They are enjoying greenery everywhere. They are enjoying flowers everywhere, right? But what type of clothes they are wearing actually? They are wearing hoodies. Why? Because soon after winter you have spring, so there it's not that much cold but it's little chilly, so that is why they are wearing hoodies, they are wearing jackets, because especially it's raining so you feel a little cold, so that is why they are wearing their hoodies, right? So you can easily see that these two boys, these two children, they are enjoying, they are having fun. They are enjoying the rain, they are enjoying the greenery, they are enjoying the flowers, right? But they are not wearing summer clothes, they are not wearing winter clothes. Excuse me. They are wearing normal clothes, right? So this is what happens. So this is what happens Yes, this is what happens in your spring season. You can wear full sleeves clothes. You can even wear hoodies which are not so warm, right? And you can enjoy the weather. This is the best weather you can see because everywhere, wherever you look, wherever you look around, you will find greenery, you will find flowers, and it looks very beautiful. And when outside, when your environment is beautiful, you also feel good, you also feel fresh, your minds feel fresh, you yourself, your whole body feels good, isn't it like that? Yes. So this is what happens in spring season. I hope you must have learned something, right? Now what I want you to do is I want you to show me and draw a nice picture of spring season, of spring, showing spring season. You can draw trees with flowers. You can draw lots of trees, lots of flowers, and you can show some children playing in that area, or you can show a scene of a park. Now, once you will draw, then you will write one line or two lines about that season. That this picture is about spring season. In spring season, what happens? Flowers grow, children enjoy because the weather is very good. It's not so hot, it's not so cold, right? So one line or two lines you can write about that season. So since it is drawing and writing, so I'm going to give you 15 minutes for this task. Your time starts now. Time is up. Time is up. Okay. Now show me your work. Wow, that's great. Wow, very nice picture. Wow, very good. So can you just read out what you have written one by one? Yes, sir. Okay, this picture shows spring season. Very good. In spring season, you have lots of beautiful flowers and greenery everywhere, and you enjoy a lot. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes. Now, one boy from grade one, I want to tell me to read out the sentence. Yes, Alia. Okay. This picture shows spring season where children are enjoying and playing. Very good. So that means for both the classes for grade 1 and 2, you have understood spring season very well. Isn't it so? You have understood spring season. You must have enjoyed Now due to the homework which I'll be posting on portal, you have to write down few lines on spices. Okay? You can take help from your elders, but do it yourself. Alright, class? Okay, so see you tomorrow in your next class. Bye bye.